Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to mute notifications for support requests on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC. If those alerts have been popping up more than you'd like, this update gives you a simple way to take control. Let's get right into it. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see the three-line menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Instagram keeps a lot of its customization options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything related to your account preferences. Next, find and click on Notifications. Inside this section, you'll see different types of alerts that Instagram can send you. Now, click on Push Notifications. This is where you control which notifications appear in real time. Scroll through the options until you find Support Requests. This setting controls alerts related to help requests, reports, or updates from Instagram support. To mute these notifications, simply choose Off under Support Requests. Once you do this, Instagram will stop sending you those specific alerts. And that's it. You've successfully muted support request notifications on Instagram using your PC. This small adjustment can really help reduce distractions, especially if you're focusing on work or just want a cleaner notification experience. If this helped you out, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this to make the most of your apps. Thanks for watching.